I'm Isabel. Today I'll be showing you the Architect's Drawing Kit, the Home Quick Planner, and the 3D Home Kit. These design kits will let you experience what it's like to be an architect, engineer, or designer. They can be used together or separately. They'll help you learn how to draw in perspective, make floor plans, and build a three-dimensional model of your own dream home or house building project. The kits are professional quality and also great for students of architecture, design, art, and STEM. You can come up with your own designs or use suggestions from the kits or those from online instructional videos. You can start by sketching a perspective or isometric drawing from the Architect's Drawing Kit. Experiment and have fun adding color and texture. Learn how to sketch your ideas through freehand drawing. It's an essential skill for architects. Then you can use the Home Quick Planner to design your own floor plans, interior design, and decorating. The 700 furniture and architectural stickers are reusable, so it's easy to make changes until you get exactly what you want. Design tips are included. Once you have a floor plan, you're ready to build a 3D model using the 3D Home Kit. You can make almost any design, from the basic to the very elaborate and everything in between. Making a model is challenging work, and you'll develop and enhance a variety of skills along the way. Both this kit and planner use the scale of 1/4 inch equals 1 foot, the same as architects use. Whether you use one or all of these tools, you'll get to experience some of the work and rewards of being an architect, engineer, or designer.